Everybody got a story, but when are you gonna change the story? When are you gonna put an end to a bad story?
I'm starting with this here song.
Or
It's called Crying Out
do
to
something
Family and all your friends. You're
to make a
crying out
decent
to the
ending
teachers
to the
who's
story.
not listening. You're crying out to your mate
People
that don't really care.
vent
All
to
they
you
want is
all
what
the
you can
time
give them, and that's
about things
all they care.
that you've
You
got
cry
nothing
out.
to do with.
You cry out.
You're not involved
You
with.
cry out to your mate. All they care about is jewelry and food on their plate. You cry
When
out
will
to your
people
best friend and they
address
saying
what's
wrong.
going on up here
You don't know it's
instead
something
of
crazy
just
that's
talking
going
about it?
on. It's almost
Talk,
to
talk.
the end, but don't ever quit.
Get you
God will try to
someone
find
to listen. But
some
when that person
type of
walks
fix
away or that
to
person hangs the phone up,
people
do you
don't know
solve
what to
the
do.
issue by
You're
talking?
stressed out
Or do you take
because of your
actions
job.
to
You're
back up
stressed
what
out
you're venting about
because of school.
with a
You're
solution?
stressed out
Or
because
you're
of the
just a
economy.
procrastinator.
You're stressed
You're
out
just
because
a
of music and the
procrastinator. See,
politics it breeds.
I can do
You're
POVs
stressed out because
all day long.
the things that's
Why
going wrong.
is that?
That's
Because
why
I'm
I
comfortable
created
with
this
myself.
here song.
Number
You
one,
cry out
people
to your
don't
friends
know
about
how
what
to walk
you're
away
going
from,
through. You cry out
number
to
one,
the politicians
toxic
that don't
relationship.
give a care. You cry out
People
to your lover.
don't know how
Don't
to
really
distance
think
themselves
all
from
they care about is
disrespectful
party,
friends
the alcohol
and verbally
and thing.
disrespectful
out
family members
and you wake up
want to be within their company,
in a
but
sweat.
they're very
You pray
verbally
to God
disrespectful.
to help you in this mess. You cry
And
out.
you
Cry
need
out.
to distance yourself
Cry out.
from people
And again,
who's always
the next day,
angry
you're dealing
and always want
with
to
the same
vent about
problems
something
again. You cry out
to you. So they're projecting their anger, their hostility, their hate, their dislike towards somebody or something towards you. And you feel all that anger, that hate, that hostility towards you. They mean it to somebody else, but they're yelling it towards you. And then you have that crazy toxic lover. She or he will have you doing so many things because you're in love with them. They'll have you sell your stereo equipment. They'll have you use your food stamps for something that they want, instead of you trying to use your food stamps to feed your kids. They will want you to buy them a video game to sit in your place to play video games online and argue with all these other people and stuff like that, instead of saying, hey, let's take the kids to the movies. Let's take our kids or your kids or whoever, let's take the children out to the movies, to an amusement park or something like that. But they'd rather have a video game and sit there and smoke up and play online with people and argue and and while you're out there making the bacon or whatever, they're just gonna sit there and play games. You don't need that. And then they talk you down, they belittle you. You don't need that. It's better to be happy by yourself than to be in a toxic, crazy, manipulative person type of relationship. If it's a 50-50% relationship where you're giving 50% and they're giving 50% and they love you, they admire you, they respect you, and they push you to be the best person that you can be, sure. But if they stop you from doing things that you need to do to excel, that means they are holding you back. Oh no, you can't go do that because I need you to do this. You can't go do that because I need you to do this. I need you to do this for me. Oh, if you love me, you wouldn't go play basketball. If you love me, you wouldn't DJ. If you love me, you wouldn't work so hard. You would be up under me. That's a selfish individual. You don't need that type of person in your life. You can be alone for a while so you can figure out yourself. What do you actually need? Do you need a companion in your life? I'm the first to say that that's not always the case, because I've been single, unattached, and have not dated anybody in 17 years, and look at me now. I'm almost 59. I'm not an alcoholic. I don't drink. I don't take no drugs. I don't need no psychiatrist. I don't need none of that. I don't smoke cigarettes. I don't smoke marijuana. I'm good. I deal with people in public, whether I'm working or doing some photographic or videographic type stuff, or music, engineering, or production type stuff. That is what I do. But I don't need a person in my personal life, because I don't want to be attached to anybody where every time I think, I got to think about what she's going to say. If I go buy a camera lens, she's going to be like, why did you buy a camera lens? I need this. If I buy a camera strap, she's going to say, well, why did you buy a camera strap? I need that. But what about what I need? What about the tools that I use to make myself creative? Some people will cut your budget on what you need to do to make you comfortable, because they feel that you're indebted to them because you're in a relationship. And sometimes it's a bad situation. It's one-sided. So I just tell everybody, if it's a one-sided relationship and your partner is pulling everything from you, they're pulling all your resources from you, they're not backing you up, they're not supporting you, you can do bad by yourself. Have a safe and blessed day. Smooth One Production.